If you walk on Broadway from 159th to 218th Street, you'll be walking on Juan Rodriguez Way, a street dedicated to the first immigrant in New York City. Around the late 1500s in La Capitanía General de Santo Domingo in the Dominican Republic, Juan Rodriguez was born to an African woman and a Portuguese man. Because of his linguistic talents, he was hired by Dutch captain Thijs Valkens Mossel to serve as a translator on a trading voyage that would take Rodriguez from Santo Domingo to the Lenape island of Manahara. Arriving in 1613, he learned the Algonquin language of the Lenape and eventually married into the local community. When it was time for Mossel to depart for the Netherlands, Rodriguez fought to stay behind and live with his Lenape family. This is how Rodriguez became the first non-native person to settle in what is now New York City, about 12 years before Dutch colonization. He was the first immigrant, the first merchant, the first Afro-Latino, and the first Dominican to have ever lived in what is now New York City. 400 years after Rodriguez stepped foot in Manhattan, Juan Rodriguez Way was established between Washington Heights and Inwood. So that's kind of interesting.